I'd like to introduce one of our local reps here. Dawn, if you would mind introducing yourself, and you two tell us a little bit about your agency.
Hello, I'm Dawn Taffel with Quality Lighting Solutions. We're here representing, we have 4 brands with us here today. We're so excited to be promoting the local IES and new membership. We're actually excited about the education committee. We're excited about all the programs that we have and being able to bring something to all of our clients in this local area and all the emerging professionals.
Yes, Hunter.
Hi, Hunter Christensen here with Targetti Lighting. Proud to be a part of this event here in Raleigh. Excited to show some of the fixtures we have to offer, both interior and exterior, and just excited to be here.
Thank you. I'd like to introduce Tim. So Tim, tell us a little about you and your company.
Absolutely. I'm Tim Connolly. I'm the regional manager for Salite. We're a company that's located at Carlton, Texas, and we manufacture in the U.S., so a lot of BAA compliant products that we sell, excellent lead times. Also, our company has a lot of flexibility on doing a lot of custom fixtures. We specialize in linear products, anything from choppers, wraps, strips, and now we're starting to get more and more into different architectural type fixtures. This is an example of one. We can create many different shapes and sizes using different connectors like this. It's very easy to install just by putting the fixture together like that. So we're also going to be talking about our acoustic line as well.
Thank you, Tim.
Thank you for the opportunity.
I'm sure you've seen wood finishes before, but the way that we do our wood finishes and you can feel it, it is actually like bonded to the wood. It will never peel, it will never break off. It's just, I mean, you literally need to take a key and you just scratch that so that comes off.
Caitlin, what are the products that you're teaching about today?
Yeah, so I'm with Susco Lighting. I'm actually a control specialist. We have Janae LeBlanc as well from our company. We have the ETC Color Source Spot Junior, which is a really great fixture from ETC, who's one of the leaders in entertainment lighting and architectural lighting as well. And so we also have something from VF, which is an IP66 spot fixture. We actually have a gobo in it. And then we also have light stopper controls, and we have the 6x color source, color reach elite from Arcanet.
Okay, very good. Well, thank you for attending today.
Thank you for having us, Bob.
Okay, bye.
Thanks.
Welcome to the IES Tabletop Show. So, how are you? Thanks for attending.
Thank you.
Okay, so who do we have here at working so hard? Kelly, how are you? What do you do?
I'm the treasurer of IES.
Okay, you're the treasurer. And Christine?
Hi, I'm Christine Van Leeuwen. I'm the Marketing and Communications Chair. Welcome. I'm glad you're here.
All right, so you guys are doing all the registrations. Looks like we have a good representation. I think maybe around 60 people signed up to attend. You guys are attending, right?
That's right.
So tell me a little bit about who you are.
Oh no.
You're the IES
Age
person.
before beauty.
You're older than I am.
Hi, I'm Greta Daughtry. I'm actually part of the IES Richmond section.
Wonderful.
And with the vice president of my section up there, but I wanted to come down and see what was going on.
And you and I
down here
have
in
talked
Raleigh.
before, I think.
Oh, yes,
and
we
so
have.
we were going. So thank you for coming down today.
No, absolutely.
Yeah, great. So you can't get escape. So tell us who you are.
I am Tom Casazza with Altman Lighting. I'm also a member of the Richmond section.
Awesome. So thank you guys for coming down, and so glad you're here and helping make it a successful event.
We're all electrical designers at Apogee Engineering.
Apogee. Well, thank you for coming out. There's going to be a lot of learning today. Thanks for coming out and doing this. Good lunch? You have a good lunch? Good deal. All right, thanks. Here's Mr. Roger Lane, right over here. And so what do you guys are, and Gary, how are you? You're all the way from Goldsboro, North Carolina.
Yes, sir. How are you doing?
With Duke Energy. So tell us a little bit about, Glenn, what's going on with Green Tech?
Well, we're extremely busy this time of year. Well, basically, we're an electrical contractor, unlike some of the vendors here or manufacturer reps or manufacturers. But we handle site assessment, design, and full turnkey solutions. So when when some of these groups need resources, we kind of come in and help with that side of it.
Good deal. Thanks for being here.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
Happy to have you.
So Laurie, how are you? Tell us a little bit about Visa Lighting.
That's right. We're giving these guys a great overview of a lot of our products.
All right, good deal. So who are you guys? I know this guy. He can't escape. He's on the board of directors for the IES here local. So you're learning a little bit about Visa, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Health products.
This is Greg Johnson. He's a specifier locally in the Raleigh area. Okay, how about you guys? Who are you?
Yeah, same thing. I'm Joseph Charity with Lauren Consulting Engineers as well. And,
good.
This is great. Bringing some of our younger staff, introducing them to the industry, and
good.
I think it's a great event.
So don't forget to drop by the IES table. You might win a membership if you're not already a member.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you. What's your name?
Timon.
Hi. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much.
Hello, Tom.
How you doing, sir?
You're on video.
Oh, I'm not on.
Yes, you are. This is it. So, so tell us a little bit about your agency.
So, Triangle Lighting Solutions, we've been around about 4 years. Commercial and industrial lighting and multifamily as well. So, indoor, outdoor. Some of the stuff we're showing here today is really just more of the new stuff. So, basically glare-free high bays, EV chargers. Distancing a little bit beyond just lighting.
I kind of went the other way.
Yeah.
Gary, team lighting is in the showcase right now. So tell me a little bit about team lighting and what you're showing
Team
today.
lighting, I would say we're probably one of the oldest lighting rep agencies in the area, right? Going on 50 years now. So we got a lot of great products. We probably rep right now over 100 different manufacturers between our architectural lines, our multifamily lines, pretty much everything under the sun that you can imagine. Even lights that aren't lights. It's a window, but it's somewhat of a light, which is kind of cool, right? I don't know if you've ever seen anything like this or not before, Bob. This guy here, though, pretty much do it in any configuration that you want. For a lot of places where you don't have windows, right? I mean, there is a lot, especially with the historical renovations and stuff, as opposed to cutting in a new window. Slap one of these guys in. Good to go.
Thank you, Gary.
Thank you, Bob.
Install. So versus looks like that. Fully without the walls installed, and then if you popped in the walls, really cool transitions, wall ceiling, custom corners, and edge of the pieces.
Eric, why don't you tell us who you are?
Hi, I'm Eric Spoda with B3 Lighting. Local Raleigh rep.
Very good. You have a new product you're showing today?
Yes, we have the Zen light.
This guy right there. Here, I'll show you what that looks like on the wall. So it's a take on its.
Well, thank you for coming out and supporting IES Social.
Yes, appreciate it. Thank you.
This is Mai Zachrin with Light Source. So, Mai, what are you showing today?
So we are going to show Vive. Vive is a antimicrobial product line. It's their technology. It's a proprietary technology that is theirs alone. There's others in the space, but they actually are one of the leaders in the space because they actually have their own. They create the chips and everything for themselves. But the antimicrobial product is, outperforms the others in the same market in that they're more than double the power of others in that same market.
And so Mai, not only is she representing one of the agents in the local area, but she's also serving as section president. So Mai, thank you for your service.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Bob, for putting this together. Looking forward to today.
Good. So we're zeroing in on Carter. Carter is the principal of KB Stevens. So Carter, what are you showing today?
Well, actually, today we have a wide variety of JLC-Tech T-bar lighting. Supposed to bring a monitor that places across members of the drop ceiling, including things like a Design Flex Armstrong. So We've got Coolidge that can have any sort of a backlit type of application, including acoustical features that go along with that inside the product. We've got Click LED or Click USA for handrail lighting, whether it's square, round, asymmetric, or symmetric, any size rail. We've got Hydrel flood lighting, and then a combination of Acuity's Enlight Air and our Lithonia Index trolley.
Hi, I'm Garrett Payne, Control Specialist, Light Source.
Okay, and what's your main role?
Controls, layouts, and startups.
Okay.
Do some applications, photometrics.
Excellent. So, and who are you?
Hello, my name is Stephen Brown. I'm the Controls Manager for Light Source. Manage our Controls Associate. Garrett is our Controls Associate for Raleigh, and Nick Wilson is in our Charlotte.
So controls have really taken off and quite a lot different from even 5 years ago.
They are.
Could you give us just an idea of maybe some of the choices that a specifier would have regarding architectural lighting controls?
Sure. So there's really about 3 or 4 different styles of control systems. We've got a centralized control system, which we're kind of going away from. We're going more into distributed controls, which means the controls are actually in the space. And then you also have controls within fixtures themselves. Personally, I feel like embedded controls and fixtures is where the market is heading. And that's inherently a digital or wireless type of platform.
So we kind of think of that, I think, by the acronym Luminaire Level Lighting Control, or LLLC. So that was started out of the Northwest in Portland area and is now in the IECC, started in 2019. And it is, as you just said, is spreading throughout. So what are some of the advantages or benefits of the LLLC control?
The main benefit is that you are reducing risks from installation issues. Whenever you have the controls in the fixtures themselves, the electrical contractor doesn't have to worry about any kind of control wiring. They don't even typically have to worry about 0 to 10 volt. So one of the hurdles that we overcome with any kind of control system is the installation. And the least amount of cables and wires that you have, that just eliminates that possibility.
And so I think one of also the benefits of an LLC is it's more granular.
That was my next point.
Okay,
it gives you a granular level of control. More consistent coverage patterns because you have sensors in each fixture. You don't necessarily have to have sensors in each fixture, but being able to group fixtures on an individual level is definitely a key benefit.
So take advantage of daylight, granular level per fixture area.
That's right.
As well as high-end trim is a big deal for
correct. Yep, so, and it cleans the ceiling up too, which architects like.
Okay, thank you so much for the summary.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Tell us a little bit about you and what you do.
All right, well, I'm Turquoise Shaw. I'm the president of Blue Lighting Consultants. I perform energy audits and develop new proposals for my clients to reduce their energy consumption, the more energy efficient light source and controls.
She's also the co-chair along with me of this event.
That's right.
So we are proud to be able to do this the first time since COVID. We are enjoying a lot of attendees and a lot of vendor support as well. So thank you for all your work.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks, Bob.
My name is Parker. I'm here trying to recruit members for our IES chapter, telling them about what membership categories are available and what benefits being a part of the IES chapter here at Raleigh can benefit from. So hope we are able to get some new members here and strengthen our chapter.
So I think one of the things that you're doing is giving away a membership today?
We are. We're raffling off a membership, so everybody can drop a business card in here and we'll be able to give out a free membership for the year.
Okay, so thank you for doing this, Parker, today. And we'll continue to have some fun here at our Tabletop Trade Show. Thank you.
Want to see the fixture? It's so small that you will not see the fixture, right? But if you want to create a design, they have a 2-way, 3-way, and 4-way pivot So you can create open shapes, closed shapes, a grid pattern. And the best thing about this fixture is the spacing is 10 feet on center. So it's known for its performance. You get about 3,000 lumens per foot. The color options are standard. It's black, white, and silver. But if you want to learn more about that fixture, just feel free to stop by our table and I can discuss more about the line fixture.
I'm going to zero in on Irvin right here. And so Irvin, tell us who you are and what you do and a little bit about how you're participating in the event today.
Hi, my name is Irvin Kulenik. I'm the Director of Engineering at O'Brien Atkins. I've been in the lighting design industry for 20-some years now. Today I'm going to be the MC of the event. I'm happy to be here. I see a lot of people. It's a great event. I want to thank Bob for helping with this and turquoise and the IES Society here.
Good deal. So being a specifier, not only a specifier but manager, what are some of the challenges that a specifier of lighting has today? A couple of the main challenges that you can think of.
Well, the challenge is the speed of delivery of the product. How fast can the product be produced and delivered and decide. Challenge also is the quality of product. There's a lot of product made overseas, and then also substitution is a big challenge.
Very good. We will catch you later.
Likewise. Thanks, Bob.
Thank you.